Hey, welcome back to another property tour video. I'm your host Kaamilya, and today we are back in Cordova, Tennessee area. This home is listed at $699,900. It is ready right now. It has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It has 3,548 square feet. Now, this home is in the Grays Hollow community in Cordova. It is a wonderful neighborhood right off of Walnut Grove with low county taxes and family size lots. Cordova is a beautiful, beautiful suburban area located on the eastern edge of Memphis, about 30 minutes from downtown, offering a combination of shopping centers, restaurants, office spaces, small businesses, churches. I mean, all the things, y'all. Cordova has really something for everyone, and it is a really affordable place to call home. We also have Shelby Farms, which is one of the largest urban parks in the U.S. in the heart of Cordova, located right down the street. So Cordova is zoned for Shelby County schools. So in this zone area, you're going to have Macon Hall Elementary, Mount Pisgah Middle School, and also Germantown High School. So if you are interested in this home, y'all, go ahead and reach out. You can send me a text, give me a call at this number here on screen. And also, if this is not the home that you are looking for, you want to find something that fits your timeline, your budget, and your lifestyle, we could also find something that fits that. Just let me know. Feel free to give me a call, send me a text, and we can go ahead and get started on that. And I'd like to thank the listing agent, Preston Williams, and also Regency Home Builders for allowing us the opportunity to tour this home. Let's go ahead and continue with the tour. this tour. If you are interested in this home, this specific home, feel free to reach out. Let me know. We can go ahead and get the process started for you to go ahead and make this home your home. Let me know. You can reach me at this number here on screen. And if you are interested in finding something else, this isn't quite what you're looking for, we can definitely work on finding you something that fits your lifestyle, your budget, and your timeline. Feel free to reach out. I will see y'all in the next video.